So only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you could hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you. So what we have right here is the Nash gas tank. We split this one in two, dipped it in the tank to clean off most of the rust. It did a pretty good job. This morning I glass beaded it to get a lot of this kind of weird chunky rust, I guess you would say. I don't really know what to call it. Try to focus in there. And of course I cleaned up the inside. And this is a lot cleaner than the inside of this tank. So what we're going to do is we're going to split this tank in half, clean out the inside, merge the two, because this one has some previous work done to it. So we're going to make it a very clean gas tank. We're going to merge it and weld it at the seams. We'll show you through that process. This is where we are right now.
Well, this is what it looks like on the inside. Come around and take a look. This is the liner they had. This is what it all rust inside still. We're going to clean all this out. I will acid treat this one the same as we did the other one. And clean everything out of this till it looks clean. This is the other liner. Whatever material this was, Mike and Brad like pried off chunks off of it off the corner. And it's still like soft. I mean, this shit was all disintegrated in the fuel. And whatever it is, I mean, it's still weird rubbery.
It's like a mattress pad.
Mattress pad. I never had a mattress pad that smelled like that. Alright, this is the other one. After it's all cleaned and treated. Now, it will snap over top of this lip, and once we fit it and walk around it a little bit, it should snap right now. So,
I'm all the way right here.
Yeah, I'm on this corner. I gotta strength the edge right here. If we do that one and that one a little bit. Anyway, you gotta work with it a little bit to get it to pop in, but that'll give us a real nice seam, and we'll end up cutting a little bit off this top lip and taking it all the way around and making it seem good real nice. But that's what we're doing. I'm going around and scraping the inside. This tank was repaired in the past that they've made a hole in the top and welded it back together. Well, the inside is full of MIG welder dots. They pop right off, and over time they'll come off on everything. So we're just going through and scraping all the MIG welder dots. Come down here and look at this side. These are all dots stuck to it. You can't come off. They pop right off. And it's been through acid treatment, so they'll pop right off. Just take scraper, just popping them off. And we're going to remove those. Quick go in, and we're going to glass bead this line a little bit and around here, and then we'll acid treat it and wipe it all down finally. But it came out really clean. All the previous slag off. When we do it, we'll TIG weld it together. You're better off TIG welding or brazing it back together than having all that weld slag come inside the tank. it comes. The outside's the same way. You run it through a couple steps like this, you treated the metal, and it's really clean. It's ready to work with. And what we do is spray it down afterwards with just a stabilizer, which is a neutralizing.